guys, it's Devin Morgan from Colorado Pain Care Physical Therapy. I'm here today to talk about seated posture and the possible use of a lumbar roll and how that may benefit you. Go ahead and take a seat here. She's going to get turned around and sit how many of us do. We tend to be a little bit rounded. Go ahead and sit forward in your chair just a little bit. A lot of us tend to sit at our computer desk just like that. We've got a rounded low back, our shoulders are kind of rounded forward, and our head's in front of our shoulders. We may not start that way, but if you're sitting at the computer working, we tend to slowly just drift into that position. Sitting in this position for prolonged amounts of time can start to injure your discs in your lumbar spine and also your neck, but we're going to focus on the low back today. If you sit like this day in and day out, you tend to develop some stiffness. That's a sign that your spine's sitting in an improper position, and over time that stiffness may turn into pain and even sciatica. Many people report sitting in a desk chair is the only thing that brings on their sciatica, and as soon as they stand up, it relieves itself. We're going to show you what a lumbar roll can do to kind of counteract some of that. So from this posture, you're screwed all the way back in the chair, correct? Okay. Let me slide this down behind your back. I'm going to place this lumbar roll right above her waistline. There you go. And then lean back just a little bit over that. If you're able to place one of these in your computer chair, what you're going to notice is it keeps a proper lordosis in your lower back, but then it also brings your shoulders back a little bit, and her head is far much closer to being above her shoulders, so her spine is stacked in a position where it can actually support itself properly. If you sit with this roll behind you and it gives you a little bit of pain, it's probably a sign that you're missing a range of motion going backwards and that you need some type of manual therapy to restore that motion for yourself. If you have any questions about this process or if a lumbar roll is even appropriate for you, you can schedule an appointment at our clinic and we can go over that specific topic with you on an individualized basis. If you'd like to come in, call 303-GOT-PAIN and schedule an appointment.